An interlock kit is a cost-effective solution that allows you to safely switch between your utility power and generator without backfeeding electricity into the grid. On the other hand, a transfer switch is a dedicated device that automates or simplifies this process. Each has its own strengths, but which one is right for you? Here's how they differ. Interlock kits function by mechanically interlocking your main breaker with the generator breaker, ensuring only one can be on at a time. It's a manual process that provides safety and simplicity. Transfer switches, however, offer a more advanced solution. Manual ones require you to flip a switch, while automatic versions detect outages and handle the entire switching process on their own. Specific use cases can also help you decide which option suits your needs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution, an interlock kit could be ideal, especially if you're comfortable with DIY projects and have a whole house generator. However, if you need to power specific essential circuits, like medical equipment or security systems, a transfer switch is the better choice. When considering costs, it's important to look beyond the upfront price. Interlock kits are affordable, typically costing a few $100s. But remember to account for hidden expenses like permits, additional hardware, and potential electrician consultations. Transfer switches, especially automatic models, can cost several $1,000s. While the initial investment is higher, they offer integrated safety and monitoring features that could prevent costly equipment damage and power loss in the long run. Impact on home insurance and resale value is another factor to consider. Some insurance companies offer discounts for professionally installed transfer switches due to enhanced safety features. Having a transfer switch can also increase your home's resale value, appealing to buyers seeking reliable backup power solutions. While interlock kits are effective, they may not provide the same insurance benefits or resale appeal because they're often installed as DIY projects and may lack the advanced safety features found in transfer switches. Safety comes first when working with electricity. Interlock kits meet the National Electrical Code standards when properly installed and ensure there's no risk of backfeeding power. Transfer switches also comply with the National Electrical Code standards, but take safety a step further with features like surge protection and automatic load balancing. Both options are reliable, but transfer switches offer a more hands-off experience. To help you decide, ask yourself these questions. What is my budget, and can I accommodate potential hidden expenses? What are my power needs? Do I need to power the entire house or just essential circuits? Am I comfortable with a DIY installation, or do I prefer professional assistance? How important is automation and convenience to me during a power outage? How important is my home insurance rates or resale value to me? These questions will guide you toward the option that best fits your situation. In the end, the choice between an interlock kit and a transfer switch comes down to what matters most to you. If you're looking for a cost-effective and straightforward solution and you're comfortable with manual operation, an interlock kit might be your best choice. But if you value convenience, automation, and added safety features, investing in a transfer switch could be worthwhile. Assess your needs and make the decision that gives you the most confidence during a power outage. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on safety solutions.